Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Calindiana Modern Farmhouse Metal Magnetic Lint Bin, a stylish and functional addition to your laundry room decor and organization. This sleek black lint bin is designed to replace your traditional trash can, featuring both built-in keyhole hangers for easy wall mounting and a strong magnetic backing to attach securely to your washer or dryer. Its modern farmhouse design, with elegant printing and sturdy tin material, seamlessly blends with any laundry interior while offering a practical solution to prevent lint buildup. Measuring 7.3 by 3.5 by 10.2 inches, this spacious yet slim bin not only keeps your space tidy but also serves as a versatile storage option for laundry essentials like detergent pods, dryer sheets, and more. Plus, with its lid to keep lint contained, you can even repurpose collected lint for creative projects like making clay, paper match, or even a fire starter kit. Packaged beautifully, this lint bin makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones or a perfect addition to your own laundry collection. We stand by the quality of our product, and if you're not satisfied, we're here to help resolve any issues you may have. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.